What's up?
Okay,
My bike check. Shut the fuck up, Jay, alright? The frame is a 2013 United Beacon in orange, as you can see, with the professional little black white stickers. Odyssey twist pedals, crank, this crank's an Assault Plus, strictly bottom bracket, KMC half link, Defiant sprocket, sadly, only one broke. Tyres, we have 10 Odyssey Chasehawk, and the back is a 10 Colby Heart, because I don't know what the other one is. Back wheel, got Odyssey Hazard Light in black, Ace 2, oh yeah, the hub oil slick Colony Wasp, fucking amazing, love it. Front wheel, it's a standard 2012 Colony Endeavour front wheel, I think, pretty sure. Forks, we have orange Colony Guardians, stem, standard fit top load, bars, S&M Perfect 10s, Nico headset, whatever. Division fat seat, Odyssey M pegs with PVC piping on them because it's just slides better for seat and shit like that. And yeah, oh yeah, ODIs, yep, brilliant. Fucked Byron. Also, let's turn this around. Fucking eat children, okay kids? Eat them. Eat them children.